Assalamu alaikum. Once again, warmly welcome to my dear students of class 7A and 7B. I hope my all students are very happy at the time you are now home. Okay, dear students, as you know very well, in the previous lecture we discussed about the topic of text comprehension text of course book related to your course book unit 4. Okay, and unit 4, and we complete this exercise reading task, words meaning, and exercise work 2. Okay, dear students, the second task is related to your workbook task. So please get ready to open your workbook, and the unit number 4. Unit number 4, School for Africa. School for Africa. It's one of the very interesting and very you say informative comprehension, and which give you a proper detail regarding school management and the role of WHO and the UNO. WHO and UNO, how they play one of the vital role for the teaching skills to develop for the students of the poor community in the relevant Asian countries, in African countries, even European countries too supported this program too. Okay, dear students, first one, take your lead pencil or a highlighter in your hands, and whenever I just want to be read the text one by one paragraph, where just I want to be highlight or I ask to all of you to encircle or highlight the one word answer related to be the riddle or a questions answer task. Please get ready to do this activity. Okay, page number 30, unit number 4, Schools for Africa. Unit number 4, Schools for Africa, and page number is 30. Okay, my dear student, first paragraph, Schools for Africa. In sub-Saharan Africa, you read about the Sahara deserts or a African deserts, tropical rainforest, and rainforest in grade 6 2, and yet count 7 2, if you still remember. In social studies, but it's a part of English yet now, as a comprehension task. 1 in 3 elders, okay, is not able to read, and 33 million, please underline 33 million. Okay, I read this sentence once again. In sub-Saharan Africa, 1 in 3 elders is not able to read, and 33 million children of primary school age are not in school. It's mean that they are still, the children, 33 million children at that time, not capable to move at primary school, primary education, to get primary education. Of those who do go to school, only 2/3, underline please, 2/3 of those who start primary school education reach the final grade. Underline this line, please. These statistics, you read about statistics data or statistics term in grade 6, I think, in population and development chapter. In social studies, statistics is a mathematics related सब्जेक्ट जिसमें शुमारियात इसको कहते हैं उर्दू में, जिसमें डाटा हैंडलिंग के थ्रू आपके पास पूरी वो आती है, इंफॉर्मेशन आती है. तो वो कहता है इन दिस टेक्स्ट दीज स्टैटिस्टिक्स आर डेसिमल स्पेशली कंपेयर टू द कॉन्टिनेंट, कॉन्टिनेंट कहते हैं बड़े आज़मों को, एंड कंट्रीज, ममालिक में, इन द वर्ल्ड, दुनिया के, ठीक है, एज ए कंपेरिजन वेयर दीज नंबर्स आर स्टेडली इम्प्रूविंग इनमें बेहतरी थी. कैसे? इट इज अगेंस्ट दिस बैकड्रॉप that School of Africa program was launched. Underline very important point. It is against this backdrop that Schools of Africa program was launched in 2004 to create school with an environment was safe and conducive for children to not just learn and play. इसका मकसद सिर्फ इस प्रोग्राम को लॉन्च करना ये नहीं था, just to provide the education. It also be the double purpose related to their hygiene, personality improve. Okay, what about the playing activities, what about the development of an education, a good kind of education. Okay, another thing is all to learn through education and different playing activities too, but also where they would have access to clean water and sanitation facilities. This is the main project related to this task, that how they are these project researcher or a project director, project leading director, providing education, a good quality of education, playing activities, programs, and as well as giving them the good quality of food, water, and other facilities too. Number 2, in the paragraph 2, the idea of this program. Okay, who just gave this idea? ये idea किसने दिया? Okay, who is the person? जैसे कल हमने नेशन टास्क हम पढ़ रहे थे, तो उसमें आपने पढ़ा था कि आइडिया किसका था. आप लोग अगर थोड़ा सा माइंड पे प्रेस करेंगे, जिस कंप्रीहेंशन में मैंने लास्ट आपको पढ़ाया, तो उसमें आपको पता चलेगा कि वो ब्लैक अफ्रीकन के लिए, दैट रेस के लिए किसने काम किया. जैसे मार्टिन लूथर किंग का बहुत नाम है, तो आप देखें क्यों है, किस वजह से है. The idea for this program came from German shipping. Underline please. The idea for this program came from German shipping from Peter Kramer. K-R-A, ये Kramer word है. It is currently run under, but currently it is run under the kind control for United Nations Children Fund. आइडिया देखिए किसने दिया और इसको लीड करते करते एट द करंट नाउ इसको लीड कौन कर रहे हैं? यूनिसेफ यानी कि यूनाइटेड नेशन चिल्ड्रन फंड जो प्रोवाइड करता है वर्ल्ड में. In the partnership with the Nelson Mandela, you read about the Nelson Mandela in grade 5 in social studies about the great personalities of all over the world, like Mother Teresa, Nelson Mandela, Martin Luther King. Okay, you read about Aung San Suu Kyi and Anyone Sarbarni, Abdul Sattar, E.P. and more personalities too in social studies. If you want to further know about the Nelson Mandela, is a revolutionary person. He bring about the great revolution in South Africa. Okay, you watch the movie, play, documentaries, so much things are you can. If you want to know about the Nelson Mandela, there's a lot of things you can find on internet through Google and YouTube too. Okay, about Nelson Mandela. Okay, with the partnership with the Nelson Mandela Foundation and the Peter Kramer underline piece previously known as the Hamburg Society. Whole passage must be underlined with the help of lead pencil or a highlighter, but neat form. The Peter Kramer, okay, UNICEF is a short abbreviation term. It's the United Nations arm. It's a very strong. You know, United Nations play one of the leading and positive role in all over the world. So UNICEF play one of the key role for which purpose is the United Nations arm that helps to champion children. Okay, rights about the children's right around the world and is either to coordinating body to handle donation as well as ensure that money is used to uphold the goals of the program. What about the major goals? कहते हैं मकसद को, purpose about the goals or the major purpose related to program. Related programs वो होते हैं जो किसी कंट्री में all over the world देखा जाए, जैसे ब्राजील है, वहाँ पे चाइल्ड लेबर बहुत है. So that's why government जो है उनकी with the co-production and cooperation of the other countries which were wanted to support it, that child development and education program, they must supported them and they opened different charity-based school and different charitable people also be donated funds for that development for school and education too. So this program must be led by Nelson Mandela. And what about the UNICEF role? The first phase I just want to explain it now. Okay, the first phase of program which from underline these started from 2005 to 2009. Okay, it's very encouraging and very fruitful years. These tenures or these times, they will be very one of the excellent or a successful position regarding the schools development program and raised USD $50 million. It means it's a one of the hectic time when the raised of you say the rupees or amount 50 million. Underline it please. This has helped 4 million children in 6 countries at the initial level. This aid, this rupees, this amount, this one of the good handsome amount help about the 6 countries. Okay. The second phase, when the 6 countries is developed to this amount, then the next phase, in the second phase, दूसरे वाले में began in 2010 after 2009 in 2010 and targets the major targets aim or a purpose to raise another USD 70 million. अब के amount देखे 50 से 70 million आए in 2010 में, and this will go to the project in 11 African countries. Now the project is not be on 6 countries, that further increase for the 11 more African countries like Angola, okay, Ethiopia, Malawi, Mali, Niger, South Africa and Zimbabwe. Please underline these countries' name. Since its launch in 2004, once again, just go to the past, when this program is launched or opened in 2004, and as of 2012, 2011, about 20 million children have been benefited. यानी कि इसमें जो nation task जो मिला उसमें 21 million children get the good education through this program, through this overall development of program. Next page, page number 31 and the paragraph 3. Why the focus on education? आखिर तालीम पे ही focus क्यों किया गया? Mainly, education is important for the children of Africa as it is the only way. Okay, education is important for the children of Africa as it is the only way that they will be able to get out of a life of poverty. कि वहाँ के बच्चों को गुर्बत से, अफलास से, जो ज़िंदगी है इससे कैसे बेहतरी लाए, उनको तालीम कैसी दी जाए, उनके बच्चों का एक रुझान जो है, उनका टेक ऑफ इंटरेस्ट जो है, जो लैक ऑफ इंटरेस्ट उनके एजुकेशन में है, उसको कैसे पूरा किया जाए, क्योंकि इन कंट्रीज में पॉवर्टी बहुत है, गुर्बत बहुत है. Without the ability to read, write, to do basic arithmetic is also a type of mathematics. You could be read about in mathematics too. Arithmetic means logarithm, arithmetic. Okay, these children will not be able to get better paying job when they get older. Okay, it's the reason. Second one, the best they can hope for is to live on less than USD one day. It's a USD dollar one day. It's the third second degree you can be used here, and the most important point is there. Okay, this is the one of the you say commitment thing which can be explained in this paragraph 3. Paragraph 4. Sending these children to school is also more than just equipping them with the skills to get a job. Skills कहते हैं महारत को. To get a job, एक अच्छी नौकरी पाने के लिए, तालीम याफ्ता होने के बाद. It is also about providing them with the information that will allow them to build a better life for themselves. How these children are capable when they grown up to get a good opportunity of job in their country or other one country or in some other one place. And most important thing, how they built up their self, better life to lead a better life in the society, in their country. It at school that they learn simple things like hygiene, उनको सिखाया जाता है, not they are be focus on studies related to discipline, related to the hygiene thing, food activity, playing activities, reading tasks, okay, and prevention from disease, कि खुद को वो बीमारियों से कैसे बचाएं, साफ सुथरा कैसे रहें, नीट क्लीन कैसे रहें, खुद को, अपने स्कूल को, अपने घर को, अपने पार्क को, अपने एरिया को. इन बच्चों की इतनी अच्छी ग्रूमिंग की जाती है. आप नेट पे देखें, आपको बहुत सारी ऐसी अच्छी डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज देखने को मिलेंगी, ये नेशनल ज्योग्राफी के थ्रू शूट हुई हुई हैं. They can share with the rest of the family. And children, when these learn these all activities at their school, and when they move to come back to their home, they share these activities work with their family members, with their street mates, their fellows, and even their relatives too. This helps them to keep everyone in the community safe and secure. These things are very good, which help these all students to make sure to get a balanced and healthy life in their community. Okay, paragraph number 5. Being in school and among other children also have to build confidence. One of the good thing is कल confidence का definition वो पढ़े थे, degrees पढ़े थे. Confident, more confident, most confidence. ये confidence है, confidence, हौसला, जुर्रत, बहादुरी. In these youngsters and give them a sense of kinship. Okay, they know, underlining please. They know there are other like them out there. They know what their rights are, own responsibilities and rights. Children with education were less likely to let themselves the victim of abuse or violence. ऐसा मतलब violence तशद्दुद को abuse, गाली गलौज करना, लड़ना झगड़ना, बदतमीजी करना, ठीक है, violence तशद्दुद. And this goes a long way to building a more just society. These children feel more invested in their own life and the community they live in, and as they mature age में जैसे बच्चे आते हैं, will try to improve on their lot and environment. Number 6 paragraph. One other benefit of attending school. This is the one of the other fruitful result or a benefit for the attending to school is that the children are provided with extent, and for some this may be the only meal. इनको खाना भी दिया जाता है, a good quality of food, a good quality of nutrients provide किए जाते हैं. In a continent where 26%, underline this percentage, where 26% of the children are, is one of the good quality कि जो प्रोजेक्ट बेस्ड स्कूल होते हैं, इनमें बाकायदा तौर पे बच्चों की नशोनुमा के लिए, ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट के लिए उन्हें अच्छा फूड दिया जाता है, लाइक फ्रूट्स, कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ वाइटामिन्स, कैल्शियम की कमी को पूरा करने के लिए दूध दिया जाता है, पैकिंग फॉर्म में हो सकता है, फ्रूट्स दिए जाते हैं, नट्स दिए जाते हैं, helping them stay of hunger and help with the growth and development. Paragraph number 7. With the money is circumstance that has been raised, जो इकट्ठी होती है through funds to collectively fund, UNICEF looks into a building child-friendly schools which go beyond the basic infrastructure. It's one of the good quality of UNICEF department or the UNICEF key role to how they provide the basic infrastructure regarding this project. As expected, school will be classrooms, buildings, classrooms. Like school is the learning place, and it's provide you say one of the good things of quality like school library, school lab, playing grounds, okay, IT rooms, IT labs, science lab, okay, lecture theaters, they have become, okay, their orientation rooms, their, okay, computer labs, west classrooms, open area, corridor, different structure-based school need a structure, infrastructure. This is more important that as expected school will have classrooms, good quality of classroom, building, equipment, teaching equipment is completely like in library resource, in computer resource for the teachers and learning material as well as other facilities like libraries, a good quality of libraries, gardens, playing areas, play areas. They will also have clean water program, water, okay, for drinking and other purpose, and improve the sanitation facilities for the both boys and girls. Underline this whole paragraph. This is not compulsory for only reserved for the boys, both boys and girls. In addition, train personnel like teachers and facilitators, teachers and the other facilitators, game teachers, okay, attendants, okay, security concern facilitators will be provided, and the community will be involved in the management of the school. It means that whole management play a one of the key and vital role, a golden vital role, okay, in this whole scenario. Other than the more tangible steps of education, the program will ensure that the school have a safe and inclusive environment. It's one of the good thing, a peaceful environment. How can it be possible to provide to a good quality of education, their administrator, their principal, their headmistress, their coordinators, their teachers. These are the people who play a very vital and responsible role to how to develop a good quality of education and provide a good quality of education to their students. This means that regardless of their culture and ethical background, underlying gender and social status, gender and social status, underlying all out of school children will be encouraged to enroll, and once they once there they will be treated equally in sense of equally and be entitled to the same rights as everyone else. Next paragraph please, paragraph number 8. Many world leaders, this is one of the good point. Many world leaders in international and national level, many world leaders have stressed that children are the future and they investing in them, investing in the future. After this, getting a fruitful result from 2000 to yet 2005, 4 to 9, then 10, and yet now, many other world leaders recognize this world achievement, and they also appreciated this world task for the education development, not as a for the South African countries. It must further be gained in other countries. Like in Pakistan, there are many countries be investing one of the good quality of education and their program like Turkey, okay, Norway. We take the example of Turkey, Norway, okay, Gulf State School also playing one of the key role in Pakistan in different provinces in different area. Even whenever in Pakistan, I still remember Zalzala jab aaya Pakistan mein, so it makes a very crucial stage. Each and everything is destructive and destroyed in the northern area. That time America, Norway and Turkey, even China, these countries plays one of the vital role, and they just come in Pakistan and they collect a different charitable people involved for the charity, and they just construct one of the outstanding school, and they provide one of the good quality of education in Pakistan yet now. Even their piece of ambassadors plays a very role, like in Jana Julie, you can take the example. She personally come at that time for the flood victims at that time, and she collect a handsome amount for the cause of school development program in Pakistan. It's one of the key role. Others have also promote the importance of education as a great, underline please, as a great revolutionary Nelson Mandela. Okay, is one of the great personality in the world in the history. He played one of the key role for the revolution of his own country. If you want to read about his life and life achievement and success, be capable to watch his movies, dramas, its own book, which give you one of the good education regarding the revolutionary concept for all over the world. Education is the key to everything, to human dignity, underlying place, to prosperity, to health, and the first basis for the democratic government development. Democratic, jamhuriyat ko kehte hain. Education is the strongest weapon. This is one of the good, you say, a PowerPoint statement by the Nelson Mandela. Education is the strongest weapon for the change of any society to the better. It's a very good point or statement. Paragraph number 9, not last not least, the School for Africa program has been so well received and successful that in 2012, it spun off, Heidelberg spun off the School for Asia program, not just be come to in our Asian countries as an Asian program, and this new program has similar goals as achievement or a purpose or a goal to provide the children with access to better school and to keep them there. It will focus on the children in the Asian countries of like Bangladesh, Asian country, Bhutan, China, India, Lesotho, Mongolia, Nepal, New Guinea, Philippines, okay, Vietnam, Estonia, okay. One more good personality, please underline, Serena Williams, okay, very well known name, it's a tennis player, who is a great ambassador of goodwill of ambassador for the UNICEF. She also play one of the key role for the development of education program, okay, through UNICEF, and her own efforts too is putting her name behind this program because believes in the power of education. Statement that she says that the quality education, quality कहते हैं यार को, तालीम, education is essential, vital, necessary for the development. It provides the knowledge, underline it please, I once again read it, statement by the Selena. She says that the quality education is essential for the development. It provides the knowledge, skills and confidence children need to shape up better future for themselves, their families and their countries. Okay dear students, they are the level of questions. Answer the following question. Okay, level 1, level 2, level 3 is the meaning. And I also share this all relative work as a comparative form of degrees in your group work too. मैं आप लोगों को इसके जो आंसर्स हैं फर्स्ट वन ट्राई, मैंने आपसे हमेशा कहा फर्स्ट वन ट्राई ऑल द बेस्ट लेवल कि जैसे आप इसको रीड किया आप इसको पर्सनल रीड करें, डिफिकल्ट जो मीनिंग्स दिए गए इनके प्रॉब्लम्स को देखें, इनको चेक करें और चेक इन द हेल्प फ्रॉम द डिक्शनरी, ओके, योर internet resources, okay. Try to write its summary or to summarize this whole text into a meaningful paragraph or a meaningful structure by taking the help of the limited words, 200 to 400, 500 maximum word, and then just find this answer like when was the School for Africa program launched and what did it aim to do. Very easy question. In the first paragraph you can find this question answer. Why is first phase of program considered successful? Why? Reason is also be in the second paragraph. In addition to being able to read and write, what other skills are the children taught? What are the other major skills that are taught to the children, not as for the reading and writing tasks? Why do world leaders test the value of education? There are many world leaders, we focus for the education. Why? Why they take interest for the value of education? In which countries the School for Asia program currently running? I read about the Asian countries. In the paragraph number 9, you can find the country's name and write down here. In level 2, what does the whole community benefit when children go to school? Whole community related to that children, that is related to that boy or girl, which get a good education, which achieve a good time of goal of education, and how he or she get a good job. What do you understand the term child-friendly school? A very good point. Child-friendly school, environment से related बच्चों को क्या मिलता है? Do you agree with the Nelson Mandela says about education? Why? Okay, इसके statement से अगर आप agree हैं तो इसको spontaneously अपना perfect own answer दें. What do you think Serena Williams is going when she puts her name behind the program? Okay, these are the very easy question. Many you can find very easily. Vocabulary tasks related to be the option. I will share these all question answer in your group work too. And then not last not least, and the page number 13 is a past tense paragraph, and you just change this paragraph into a past tense. The present tense में है, आपने इसको past tense में change करना है, ठीक है? Or writing task is also be given into your source pad. If you want to take a necessary help to complete the writing task, you should take your guidance from a resource pad. And if you want to read by your own self, please read your make your task by your own self on a drafting pad, and first one send me on my personal mobile number or in group work. If I just check it and maybe there any mistake, I just want to be highlighted or clear it, then you are capable to paste it or write it. Please use your only that pencil to complete your workbook task. Now please open your workbook task. Today is the unit number 10. Unit number 10, workbook task. As you know very well, in previous lecture, I just completed the unit number 9. Unit number 9. And the today's task is unit number 10. Unit number 10, forming adjective from nouns. Very good. An interesting topic. I share all the question answers and related work into your group work. It's depend to you how to complete your work in a neat format. Okay. Open your workbook now and please use your lead pencil to complete your workbook task. Open your grammar skill. Chapter number 10. Chapter number 10. Forming adjectives. Underline please. Forming adjectives from noun. Unit number 10. Forming, formation, forming, Forming, forming adjectives. As you read about the adjectives within a 2 times in previous lecture, adjectives from nouns, okay. Highlight the different PowerPoints. You can add, underline please, you can add various endings to noun, to change them into adjective. It's one of the good quality of things, underline, like ending with full, F-U-L, full, O-U-S, like obvious, useful, okay, Y, costly, okay, and ed from adjective. That means having this quality to think, for example, successful, like successful. Mission impossible may word use of the successful mission. A dangerous activity. These are the examples which have been mentioned in the book. Please highlight with the help of the highlighter or lead pencil. Healthy activity, healthy diet, okay. A bearded man, जो दाढ़ी वाला आदमी होता है, okay, ये मेल की quality है, male persons की. Number 2, the ending less, just like charm less, hope less, taste less, pain less, okay. The ending less from adjective, that means not having this quality of thing, उस चीज की quality उसमें नहीं, लेकिन less से उसको like painless, hopeless, speechless, thankless, hopeless, okay. These give you a clue related to the less. Example mentioned, a painless operation, homeless people, okay. The ending L-A-L-N-A-R-Y, A-L-N-A-R-Y, ending, the endings, जो ending इख्तिताम पे word क्या आता है, the ending A-L-N-A-R-Y, A-R-Y not channel, A small R-Y. Adjective, the mean of the thing, for example, national flag, vocational college, national flag, legendary hero, legend से ना, hero. The ending with I-C and L-I-S-H-Y, I-C, and I-S-H-Y or a L-Y, ending. And we are talking about the ending. Please, once again, just concentrate on example. The endings I-C, I-S-H and L-Y from adjective, that mean one of the like, a person or a thing. A person or a thing, किसी name या person, किसी person का, thing किसी चीज का. For example, artistic ways, artist से artistic, child, a boyish smile, okay, a neighborly gesture, neighborly, N-E-I-G-H-B-O-U-R-L-Y. The ending L-Y can also mean having this quality और happening once in this period of time. उस period के हिसाब से उसको उसकी quality को ensure किया जाता है. जैसे costly ring, expensive word होता है ना, expensive, more expensive, most expensive, ये तो adjective है. यहाँ पर costly ring, okay. A weekly magazine, a weekly, week है, A-L-Y, cost है, L-Y. Other endings that can change, other endings that can change the noun into adjective Awesome and able. Comfortable, like very common word. Chair is a very comfortable, table is very comfortable. Awesome, achievement. Fabulous, outstanding. Fashionable, okay. Capable, fashionable, capable, ठीक है. Example mention here. For example, an awesome achievement, okay. Fashionable clothes, fashionable person, okay. uh, इसके जो पार्ट हमने करने लगे हैं, पार्ट ए, पार्ट बी, part D, part E. Okay. Choose the correct ending from a suitable adjective from the given noun. Like Alice is a very talented. अब देखिए option देखें, ARY, ED, FUL. Okay. Like given this quality as a talented, मैं उनके लिए complete spell लिखूंगा. I read the complete spelling. You just add only the option word. Like they have mentioned, Alice is a very talent. Talent है तो कभी talented. TALENTED. तो आप अंडरलाइन करो, आप ईडी लिख लीजिएगा प्लीज. टैलेंटेड, टैलेंटेड पर्सन. दैट वाज अ रेदर फूल एंड फुलिश. अहमद, बेवकूफ. ISH. एवरीवन वाज कॉम्प्लीमेंट है तो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री हो जाता है. कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री अबाउट माय पेंटिंग. COMPLIMENTARY. Complimentary. The website contains some helpful, useful, sourceful, helpful. Helpful. They live in a mountain, mountainous. You read about in social studies many times. Mountain. मैंने इसलिए उसकी ऑप्शन पे आपको टिक लगाया है. स्पेल मैंने पूरा लिखा है. You have made a number of careless. There's so many careless mistakes sometime in your notebooks, in your test. Careless, hopeless. You have made a number of careless mistakes. He gave her a brotherly hug. Brotherly, brother से brotherhood होता है. ये brotherly, 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 LY. The shop sells books and educational resources, institutions, IONAL, NAL, इसमें AL है. The shop sells books and educational toys. A Patrick, मुहिब वतन, PATRIOTIC, Patrick मुहिब वतन को कहते हैं. Number 10. Go and wash. Job. Go and wash your dirty. Number 10. Dirty. 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 Dirty में Y है. Dirty clothes, dirty hands, face. Number 2. The 12 adjectives. Please टिक लगा लीजिएगा ऊपर, ये हम जो ऑप्शंस कर रहे हैं ताकि आपका काम क्लियर. The 12 adjectives in the box have the wrong ending. इनकी ending गलत है. Very wrong ending. Rewrite them correctly on the lines below so that each noun and ending appears only one. Like costed है. That is the not. The word is coastal areas. Coastal. COASTAL. Coastal areas. Coastal regions. Coastal places. Coastal. Okay, like troubleless, not trouble one. Troublesome. Very common word. कल भी मैं कोई lesson पढ़ा रहा था. Troublesome उसमें word use किया गया. Troublesome. I'm here talking about the page number 54. This is our page number 54, part B. It's part B. Okay, wrong endings हैं, इनको ठीक करना है. Okay, delicated नहीं होता, delightful होता. This term is maximum used in letter writing too. Delight, DELIGHT, delightful, happy, joy, you can, pleased. Okay, then is customable, not word, customary होता है. CUSTOMARY, customary, custom, रवाज. Wheelie लिखा हुआ है. Wheelie, not wheat. WHLLED, wheat. Be careful about spelling mistakes and correction. Poisonally नहीं होता, poisonous होता है, poisonous, जहरीला. wheat के बाद है 8 पे, poisonally नहीं होता, poisonous होता है, जहरीला. poison tree, जहर, toxic, जहरीलू. poisonous. होपली वर्ड नहीं होता, होपफुल होता है, होपलेस होता है, होपलेस. I have the next part. Please be careful about spelling mistakes and use only lead pencil to complete your workbook task. And please understand it very carefully what I want to explain you. चीटिंग एबिलिटी जो है वो छोड़ दें, वो अच्छी बात नहीं है. पीछे से कोई बच्चा इसके आंसर ना देखे, आपको समझाने का मकसद ये है जस्ट टू गेट द नॉलेज. बिकॉज फिर जब पेपर में, असेसमेंट में, एग्जाम में अनसीन आता है, फिर आप लोगों को इसीलिए करना नहीं आता, आप लोग मुंह उठा के बैठे होते हैं इसका आंसर क्या आएगा. मीनिंग को देखें, रेफरेंस को देखें कि उनकी एंडिंग के लिए क्या आता है और कौन सा वर्ड प्रॉपर यूज होता है. रीडिंग टेक्स्ट में से बहुत सारा मटेरियल मिल जाता है जो आपको क्लू के फॉर्म में मैं बताता हूँ. Okay, we need that make sure to correction about the hopeless. Then self-some, wrong word, selfish होता है, like selfish giant. Also will be a very common or very interesting story. Selfish people. Number 10. Number 11. Friendly, wrong word, friendly नहीं होता, friendly होता है, friendly relations. ये भी आप लोगों ने टेक्स्ट में भी पढ़ा. Friendly, दोस्ताना माहौल. Knowledgeful, not knowledgeable होता है. Knowledge के silent, KNOWLEDGE, knowledge, able, knowledge able, cap able. Hirish नहीं होता, heroic होता है, heroic, HEROIC. Stormus नहीं होता, stormy होता है, stormy, sunny. Okay, I read this verse. Constant, troublesome, delightful, customary, weird, poisonous, hopeless, selfish, 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 giant, friendly, knowledgeable, heroic and strong. Okay. Now just please open the page number 56, part D. 56 is the word bank they mentioned here. Fill in the blanks with adjective from the nouns in the box. Okay, there are so many nouns as the word given as the top of this paragraph. Okay, and word bank is mentioned here like music, wonder, sun, botany is the knowledge of plants. Okay, acrobat, art, cloud, fame, famous. इसको हमने change करना है. Recreation, skill, color, rain, need, rectangle, tradition, layer, muscle. अच्छा, आपने क्या करना है कि जब आपने इसको, मैं फिलिंग करवाऊंगा, आपने फिलिंग कर लेना, लेकिन स्टिकी नोट पैड लेके आपने इसके चाहे यहाँ पेस्ट कर लें, चाहे यहाँ पेस्ट कर लें. इसमें जिसके प्रॉपर फॉर्मेशन आंसर होगा ना, जस्ट टू राइट ऑन द स्टिकी नोट पैड एंड मेक श्योर द नंबर लाइक 1 is dash dash dash, 2 is dash dash dash, 3 is dash dash dash, 4 is dash dash dash. इतना ही मुश्किल काम नहीं है, जिससे आपको इनकी फॉर्मेशन ऑफ नाउन को चेंज करने में कोई इशू नहीं होगा. जैसे वर्ड है सन, सन से सन, मैंने भी बोला भी था, सन से सन. ठीक है, मैं वो दोबारा बोल देता हूँ, सन से सनी. क्लाउड है तो क्लाउडी हो जाएगा, क्लाउडी. आर से आर्ली, रेन से रेन. तो अब सो दैट्स व्हाई मैं ऑप्शंस आप लोगों को इसकी लिखवाता हूँ. आपको जैसे बताएंगे कि स्टिकी नोटपैड पे लिखकर आपने उसके टॉप पे लगा देना है करेक्ट आंसर. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द करेक्ट आंसर, बट मेक श्योर टू आल्सो बी फिल द पैराग्राफ. But please make sure you also fill the paragraph by using the correct formation of the answer. Correct formation of the answer. Okay, take your lead pencil in your hand. Okay. It was a fine मैंने अभी बोला है इट वॉज अ फाइन डैश डे, इट वॉज अ फाइन संडे, SUNNY। और स्टिकी नोट पैड लगा लें ऊपर पहले यहाँ पर एक साइड पे, यूज योर स्टिकी नोट पैड वेरी जेंटली एंड मेक श्योर टू राइट वन आंसर, देन टू, देन थ्री, देन फोर। बेशक सेंटर में लाइन ड्रॉ कर लें, अगर 2 स्टिकी नोट पैड भी लगाने तो मुझे कोई इशू नहीं है। ओके, लुक आउट ऑफ द विंडो एट द क्लाउड, cloudy, CLOUDLY, cloudy blue sky and smile. She and her sister, वो और उसकी बहन, were going to an open air show. वो जा रहे एक open air show देखने के लिए at the park, and it might have been cancelled if the weather had been, ये cancel भी हो सकता है अगर weather क्या हो गया, rainy। ज़ाहिर है बहुत सारी चीज़ें एकदम से आर सडन आपको पता है कैंसिल हो जाती है। रेनी, और रेनी में होता है रेन है ना, RAINY, रेनी, लाइक रेनी सीजन, ठीक है। देयर वाज एन डैश, आर है आर्ली, एन है ना, एन आर्ली, आर कहते हैं घंटे को, ओनली आर, आर्ली, LY आर्ली। ओके, बस सर्विस, 1 घंटे के बाद की सर्विस, बट सर्विस फ्रॉम द एंड ऑफ देयर स्ट्रीट टू द पार्क which would get them there 30 minutes before after to start of the show, dash to say, ठीक है, dash to say। ओके, इसमें अब देखिए कि लेस के हिसाब से इसमें क्या है, नीडलेस, जिसकी जरूरत नहीं होती, नीडलेस, ओके। टू से they caught that early, अब early ऑलरेडी है, EARL बस, this gave them time for a layering straw, लेयर है तो क्या हो जाएगा, लेयर क्लब, हमारे यहाँ को शॉप का नाम भी लेयरी, LEISURELY, लेयरी, फ्री इसे कह सकते हैं। दिस गेव देम टाइम फॉर अ लेयरी स्ट्रॉल थ्रू द डैश गार्डन। बॉटनी है इसका नॉलेज ऑफ प्लांट्स, तो ये आपको इसको उसमें जब देखे जाएंगे तो बोटेनिक बन जाएगा, BON, जैसे zoology है, एनिमल्स का नॉलेज है, BOTANIC, बोटैनिक। ओके, नेक्स्ट आ जाता है ऑन द वे, ऑन द रिक्रिएशनल वर्ड बन जाता है सैर व तफरीह करना, RECREATIONAL, रिक्रिएशनल, तफरीह, सैर व तफरीह। ओके, वेयर आर रेक्टेंगल है तो उसको रेक्टेंगुलर, रेक्टेंगल शेप है, आप लोगों ने पढ़ी होंगी मैथ्स में, रेक्टेंगुलर, ओवल, स्क्वायर, ये रेक्टेंगुलर से, रेक्टेंगल से रेक्टेंगुलर शेप। स्टेज बना हुआ था, हैड बीन सेट अप इन द मिडल ऑफ द फील्ड, जो दरमियान में उसके सेट किया गया था। दे हैड अ वंडर है, दो जगह वंडरफुल, नंबर 10 पे वंडरफुल, वंडरफुल, हैरान को, astonish, wonderful time at show, they had a wonderful time at show, there were performers, वहाँ पे परफॉर्मेंस करने वाले जो लोग थे, there were from all over the world, जो पूरी दुनिया भर से आए हुए थे उस शो को लीड करने के लिए। some of them quite fame है तो famous, for the good work of achievement famous, notorious कहते हैं मशहूर ज़माना, जो बुरे कामों के लिए मशहूर होता है, इसका एंटोनिम है notorious। I am talking about famous in their own countries, अपने अपने ममालिक को लीड कर रहे थे। very colorful, colorful, उन्होंने रंगीन, कलरफुल, शोख कपड़े पहने हुए थे। they performed tradition, they perform famous colorful traditional, रवायती, TRADIO, स्पेलिंग ध्यान से लिखें, बी केयरफुल फॉर स्पेलिंग, TRADITION, ट्रेडिशनल, रवायती, ट्रेडिशन कहते हैं रवाज को, ठीक है, ट्रेडिशनल। ओके, dances to tunes play and on unusual music से, मौसीकी, MUSICAL, musical sound। 15 म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स, जो ये मौसीकी के आलात होते हैं उसको इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स कहते हैं. द मोस्ट दैट, बी केयरफुल, स्पेक्टिकुलर, तमाशाई, SPECTACULAR, ऑडियंस जिसको कहते हैं. द ऑक्रोबैट जो कमालात दिखाता है, ठीक है, मज़ाहिया करतब दिखाता है, इज शोइंग, व्हाट इज शोइंग देयर, ट्रेडिशनल म्यूजिकल प्रैक्टिकल ऑक्रोबैटिक. 16 है ARACROBAT, ऑक्रोबैटिक. और द ऑक्रोबैट्स मस्कुलर, मसल पेन होता है ना, मस्कुलर, मस्कुलर, MUS, like heart is a muscular organ, very common word. 18, not last not least, okay, legs and arms enable them to jump high into the air and walk across the stage on their hand. Okay, James' favorite performer was Arjun, who's skillful, handful, skillful, महारत जिसका strong हो, skillful. So I read this answer once again: sunny, cloudy, rainy, hourly, needless, layerly, watery, decretional, rectangular, wonderful, famous, colorful, traditional, musical, spectacle, acrobatic, muscular, and skillful. These are the answers which are used in this whole banks. Very carefully. मैंने साइड कर रहने दिया, आप लिख लें. ओके, लास्ट क्वेश्चन है इसका. using one of the nouns in the highlighted place, adjective before other nouns. For example, there is a stain on the lounge carpet. stain कहते हैं दाग को. lounge जो टीवी lounge में carpet पे एक दाग है, ठीक है. they have a swimming pool in their garden. using one of the nouns in the given phrase or an adjective before the other, write a sentence containing the new phrase. Okay, like a teacher of science. Example है, the science teacher is good at explaining things or clearing things. Okay, bowls of for soup. तो अब इसको change करते हैं और लिखते हैं. देखिए नंबर 2 है, the soup bowls are hot. soup hot होता है. An invitation to a wedding. I received, RECIVED, received a wedding invitation. INVITAI. Just to be know that which we want to change as a noun. मैं दोबारा क्वेश्चन पढ़ता हूँ. Using one of the nouns in the given phrase. one of the noun in the given phrase highlight कर लें. As an adjective before the other, write a sentence containing the new phrase. New phrase sentence को कैसे change करना है. The curtains, पर्दे को कहते हैं, in the bathroom. The bathroom curtains need washing. बाथरूम के जो कर्टन्स हैं, पर्दे हैं, उन्हें धोने की जरूरत है. A book about crockery. This is a crockery book. Very easy, simple. This is a crockery book. Uniform worn for school. The school uniform is place रख कर देते हैं यहाँ से. ऑप्शंस को ध्यान से देख के लिखें ताकि आपका आंसर जो है उस पर क्लियर हो, कि इसमें कोई इशू ना हो. एंड प्लीज यूज ओनली लेड पेंसिल टू कंप्लीट योर आंसर. मैं बार बार बता रहा हूँ कि आप सब बच्चों ने अपने आंसर्स लिखते वक्त ओनली लेड पेंसिल ही का यूज करना है. पेन यूज नहीं करना. बाज़ का हमें करेक्शन करवानी पड़ती है जब आपकी बुक्स चेक करें, तो हमें बहुत सारे इश्यूज आते हैं फिर. लाइक दिस इज ए क्रॉकरी बुक के बाद था, 6 पे था, 6 नंबर, सॉरी, जो put his, जो name है, जो put on his school uniform. Be careful about spelling mistake and punctuation. Okay, number 7, the garage door was locked. GRA, the garage door was locked, past tense, LOCKED. Number 8, I have lost my train ticket. I have lost my train ticket. There is a fish market. There is a fish market. MARKET. Fish market at the harbor. Harbor कहते हैं बंदर का. हमारे यहाँ ये कराची में हार्बर्स मौजूद हैं. ग्वादर में, सिंध में हार्बर. Read about in Park studies in grade 8, 9, 10 in O levels and metrics going to about the harbor, coastal areas in Pakistan, neighboring country too. The seat was covered. The seat was covered. Past tense, COVERED, covered. Covered with dog hair. उस पे जानवर जो है डॉग है उसके बाल लगे हैं. This is the end of this workbook task. Please complete these all relevant answers according to your option A, D, B, C very carefully, but please make sure to use only lead pencil to complete your work task, because it's very difficult for us when just we want to check your work. It makes sure to maybe there are some mistakes related to grammatical mistake. At the spot भी हम उसको आप लोगों से करवा के ठीक करवा लेते हैं. ओके, मैं आप लोगों का जो इस चैप्टर से रिलेटेड जो आज पढ़ाया आपको, इसके जो क्वेश्चन आंसर्स का टास्क है related to the grammar task and creative task, जो already मैंने आपको बता दिया. It's a one of the good thing, अगर it's a one of the good thing if you want to write your own creative writing task related to the subject matter, you just write it. It's one of the good quality. Okay, I always appreciated those students which are be capable to write the independently write the creative writing task by their own self. If you need a little bit difficulty, you should try to use a different resources, encyclopedia, reference books or internet sources. Okay, they give you one of the good quality of education. And the children which are not capable to do this activity by their own self, they just need to be an necessary guidance or a spoon feeding forever and ever. They just open their resource pack and same target task which is be mentioned or a print in your resource pack just to be cheated. मैं तो उसको cheated ही कहता हूँ, cheated, and you just complete with the help of red pencil on your related page. Okay, goodbye, खुदा हाफिज, अल्लाह हाफिज.